I think I started recording. So hello, this is October 26th, SIG Node CI group meeting. We'll be talking about a few agenda items. And first, I want to talk about a couple errors we have. Okay, so we have two failures right now in critical tests. First is not kubelet conformance tab that started failing over the weekend, and this container deconformance test that started failing before that. So I think it's almost a week ago. So since then it's red. They all failing in very beginning. So it's not like tests broke. I think it's infrastructure broke. So we need to take a look at why this. In case of node conformance, we cannot connect to API server. In case of node conformance, I didn't get into like what we can connect to, but it's also in a very beginning of test. So anybody up to take a look?
So in order to look into that, do we need any sort of special access to see what's going on?
I don't know. I think what we can start is to just analyze kubelet logs and see what's going on. Yeah, I don't think this commit has anything to do with that, but it also may be a good starting point.
I can take a first look at that.
Okay. You want to look at this kubelet conformance? Then I will take a look at container deconformance.
Sounds good.
Okay. I think it's different reasons because they started failing at different times. Right here. Okay, so next is your topic.
Just like a week or two ago, we talked, or a couple weeks ago, we were talking about just adding a little bit to the email I wrote about whether or not we even need the node conformance test versus just like running the master, like the node kubelet master, which is as reliable as a node kubelet. So I just updated that, and I'm just if someone wants to take a look, and I should just send it, or what? That's it.
Yeah, text looks good. I reviewed it when I posted it, so if you can send it, it would be great.
Okay, and should he said I should send it to SIG Node and SIG architecture?
Yeah, I think it's good.
Okay.
Jorge recommended SIG architecture. Maybe, like, I think I never been on SIG architecture meetings, so I'm not sure what the specifics of what they discuss, but I understand that conformance is something that they worry about.
Yeah, I'll check with him and see if he thinks I should just send it to SIG Node first, and then send it there if we don't get what we need.
Okay, I think there is an update on fake NUMA nodes as well. I think Roy posted a comment like here. Who want to start?
I think I just did some logs. This just need to change the kernel command line when start the cause instance. It does not need like any like a kernel configuration change.
Like it only requires the kernel arguments. Like it doesn't require to recompile the kernel with additional.
Yeah, I think for kernel command line mostly this one only when we start this test, right? I think open source we can have some way to specify kernel command line. Yeah. As long as it's not a secure boot, the kernel command line, yeah, you should able be changed there. Yeah, I can find the examples, then post it here. Yeah.
Okay, it can be great. Do you say that we already have some examples that like update kernel arguments under the test, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, great. If you can find any example, it can be wonderful.
Okay, yeah. Let me find out, then I can paste it here. Yeah.
Perfect. So Artyom, you'll be Artyom, right? You'll be
Yeah, correct.
keep looking into that.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Any other topics? I try to review ping Don for approval of our pull request, but apparently Don doesn't have permissions to approve. So I'm looking for somebody else to directly ping, because apparently like global pings saying like please somebody approve doesn't work. So I will be looking into that. It's for PR merges. Any other topics?
Hi, this is Ami. I have one more topic here. We are talking about, I was talking with Roy about this move of renaming the old GCI to COS in the dashboards. Let me put the link here of the issue we have on. So there is one proposal to start to do this with our container D. That was the start of the conversation. And Roy has some more ideas to bring other dashboards to this process. So the initial discussion is how to start to do that and what's the first steps here. Maybe we can start with a document or more formal proposal for this step.
I don't think anybody else looking at this.
Yeah, I think. Yeah, I think I talked with Ami, and like in Slack, briefly, and for the renaming GCI to COS, I think we today those two names expressed in the Kubernetes main repo and the test infra. Yeah, I think we can, for example, first change the surface name, then change that extract the Kubernetes OS, eventually change the Kubernetes main repo, slowly like make sure no break. Yeah. But this is good. We have kind of have some write up to see. Yeah.
I actually didn't get anything, Roy. You are breaking up.
Hello.
Hi.
Oh, you. We talked briefly on how to rename like a GCI to COS. I think this maybe need a one-pager write up to make this happen. Yeah.
What are you looking for with this write-up? Any additional approvals, or just want to formalize the process?
To formalize the process here, Sergey.
Yeah, because those GCI is called the Google Container Instance as our cloud instance. I think that's the initial name of COS. Is 5 years ago. I think now most people open source community, when they help maintain the code, they do not know what does this word meaning. Think this is deprecated, but all the test case are up to date, but it's only the naming. Yeah, I think to change the name, there's three big places. One is test infra, or the dashboard, like test grid dashboard. That's the easy change. I think low hanging fruit. I think less risk. Yeah, dashboard is the first step we can do. All through the opportunity, we can consolidate into, for example, cost test case, right? At least if we SIG Node want to expand to other OS, like Ubuntu or like the Fedora OS, it will be much easier. That's the first step. I think the second step is like all the magic happens in that Kubernetes test, extract Kubernetes. Yeah, the second step is that go in the test infra, the Golang program called extract underscore K8s Kubernetes s.go that has all the magic, right? Today use GCI or GCI CI. We can add a cause and cause CI as a transition step. Yeah.
All right. So they are orthogonal. I can rename the dashboards and then change the.
Yeah, I think third step we can change the community repo. Yeah.
Okay.
So
let me
then,
add
the
also
biggest
add
worry
comments.
will be how to transition from one name to another, and there will be some transition stuff when both works, right? Is it the issue? Okay, Roy is writing the status document, so this is cool. Okay, so we will have it updated. I mean, are you okay driving this forward?
Yeah, I think makes sense.
Is there any other topics for today? Is this time, Monday morning, comfortable for everybody?
Yep.
Okay.
Works for me.
I think for
Yeah, I
Jorge,
think that's what I know. I think mostly, yeah.
for
If
Jorge,
we want
conflict.
to
Yeah,
take
go
this
ahead.
effort, we need some help. Yeah, can do those. Yeah.
Okay. So for Jorge, it conflicts with release meeting for 120, and I think closer to release, it will be like we will see less and less of him, but we can keep it and see how it goes. Okay, then. If no more topics for today.
Are you talking? Yeah. I did not hear anything.
I am talking. Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
I can, not sure he can.
Okay. I think we don't have any other topics, and let's finish and wrap it up. Okay, Roy, are you trying to say something? Okay, I think we just wrap it up and see you all next week. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you,
Bye,
bye.
folks.
Yeah,
Have a
thanks.
good week.